Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of kitchen gadgets to bring you the best tools for your cooking adventures. Today, we're excited to introduce a must-have for any home cook, the Frywall Silicone Splatter Guard, which has captured attention on popular platforms like Shark Tank. Imagine sizzling burgers or frying vegetables without the fear of oil splatter coating your stovetop. The Frywall, designed specifically for 8-inch pans, provides unparalleled protection while allowing you to cook with complete access to your pan. It's crafted from BPA-free, FDA-compliant silicone, ensuring that it's not only safe for your family but also resilient enough to handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The beauty of the Frywall lies in its innovative design. Unlike traditional splatter screens that can obstruct your cooking process, the Frywall sits snugly in your pan, effectively blocking fine oil particles that can escape. This means no more messy stovetops and countertops. You can sear your burgers to perfection and reduce sauces quickly without worrying about the aftermath. Plus, the Frywall lets steam escape freely, ensuring your food cooks evenly and retains moisture. But that's not all. This product features a spillover stopper that is perfect for those moments when you're sautéing a large batch of vegetables or cooking a hearty stir-fry. If you've ever had oil spill over the sides of your pan, you'll appreciate this thoughtful addition that keeps your cooking surface clean. Cleaning the Frywall is a breeze as well. It's dishwasher safe, and when you're done using it, it rolls up into a compact sleeve for easy storage. This means no bulky kitchen gadgets taking up space in your cabinets. Instead, you'll have a practical solution that fits right into your kitchen routine. Let's talk about versatility. While it's ideal for gas stovetops, the Frywall is also compatible with electric ranges, giving it a broader appeal to various cooking enthusiasts. It's designed to fit pans with a diameter of 7.5 inches to 8 inches, making it a fantastic addition to your culinary toolkit. So, if you're tired of cleaning up messes after cooking, or if you want to elevate your cooking experience with a tool that enhances safety and convenience, the Frywall Silicone Splatter Guard is an investment you won't regret. At a price point of $19.95, it's an affordable solution to a common cooking problem. In conclusion, the Frywall Silicone Splatter Guard is not just a splatter screen. It's a revolutionary kitchen tool designed to improve your cooking experience. With its thoughtful design, ease of use, and effective protection against messes, it's no wonder this product is highly rated by users everywhere. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the best kitchen gadgets available today. Happy cooking!